Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. If your Home TV camera is not working, don't worry about it. In this video, I will tell you how to fix this error. So keep the video till the end and follow my steps. When you are facing this error, the first solution is check the camera is enabled or not. For this, go to the this icon and check the camera is enabled or not. If it is not, then enable it and after enabling, refresh the device and check if it is working properly or not. In my case, it is working. If it is not working in your device, then next solution is again go to this icon and click on the cookies and site data. Click on the manage on device site and delete cache. After deleting, refresh the site and check the problem. If it is persists, then again go to the this icon and then click on the setting and then go to the privacy and security and go to the delete browsing data. Now select advanced and select all time and select all this and delete. Once delete and check the error. If it is persist, then last is check the then go to the extension and one by one disable and check the error. I hope this video is useful for you. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe our YouTube channel and share with friends. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.